how tiny this drone is. This drone, feel how heavy that is, Robbie.
Oh, that's light.
It's 249 grams. I see all the guys, they're looking at this saying, whoa.
It's amazing.
They made it so light so the FAA, you don't have to register it. And I'll pass this around, but this goes 5 miles.
Oh,
5 miles. You know where 5 miles is from here?
Yeah.
It's almost satellite. It's almost almost Melbourne Beach, because remember when you do it, it's a straight bird shot. It's not taking any rides. So I'm gonna get with Stella, and we're gonna do maybe something in the courtyard that maybe we'll fly down to Pineda Causeway while we're in the courtyard, and you can see on the screen where we are. So I know some of you guys have done this with me before, but I used to have a drone a lot bigger. This is the latest addition to the fleet, and I think we can have a lot of fun because it'll also make the videos online that you guys get to see as far as on Chateau Madeleine Live that much more fun. So just wanted to kind of give you guys a little sneak peek, and you should have, I see everybody's looking like, wow. 249 grams. You don't have to do anything with the FAA. You register it. And it's light, isn't it? Yeah. It's scary. Feel how heavy? Isn't that scary?
Well, the scarier
Wait till it
no
flies.
license.
Yeah, I have a license, but still, you don't need to register it with that weight.
So you don't have to register it, you don't have to have a license?
Pretty much.
What
Isn't
kind of
that
battery
crazy?
does it have?
It has 3 batteries here, and each one is 38 minutes. 1, 2, and 3. They pop right out. It's crazy. It really is.
You have a lot of fun.
But the men's club, I'm sure we'll do something with Evelyn one of these days. She's always looking for that. Or we might do a special edition.
Woohoo!
You're gonna have a